Hello everyone, here is a trick to solving quadratic equation with ease. Supposing you are given this particular quadratic equation and you want to solve it, this is how you take it. 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Take the leading coefficient, which is 2, to multiply the constant term, that is 1. And when 2 multiply 1, it will give you 2. After that, carefully form two brackets and equate it with 0. Then write your letter x and the x in the two brackets. Think of two numbers that when you multiply them, it will give you this particular 2, and when you add them, you will also get your 3. Of course, the numbers are 2 and 1 because 2 plus 1 will give us 3, and 2 multiplied by 1 will give us 2. So you have to put plus 2 and plus 1 because these are the numbers that when you multiply, you get 2, and when you add them, you get 3. Then after that, the next step is to divide every number in the bracket by the leading coefficient. The leading coefficient is 2. Hence, divide every term here by 2. So let me write it out clearly. You have x plus 2, then over 2, into x plus 1, all over 2 as well. Everything equals 0. 2 can divide 2, and of course, that will give us 1. Coming here, I cannot divide 1 exactly by 2. Because of that, I have to repeat it that same way. X plus half, everything equals 0. Now, you should know that whenever two things are multiplying each other to give us 0, it implies that either one of the terms is 0 or both of them are 0. Therefore, I can write that either x plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies that x should be negative 1 because when positive crosses over, it will turn to negative. Or x plus half is equal to 0. That means that x is also negative half. And these are the solution to this particular quadratic equation. For more tips and tricks, catch me on the YouLessons app page on TikTok at YouLessons app.